Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Use the parseInt function. The parseInt function parses a string and returns an integer. Here is an example where variable a is equal to parseInt, and inside that we have a number within quotes which makes it a string. So to convert it back to number, we are using parseInt function. The above function converts the string 007 to an integer 7. If the first character in the string can't be converted into number, then it will return nan. Use parseInt into in the convert to integer function, so it converts the input string str into an integer and returns it. So just we have to do return using parseInt here, and we will pass str here. So this should work. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.